Hey folks, I got a few subscribers, asked me how I built my steps or platform to go up to the pool. So I'm gonna give you a little rundown how what it looks like without getting in the pool, that is. Try my best. All right. This is a 21 foot, about 54 inches deep, 8,000. Saltwater 8,000 pool. It's my solar pool heater, but that's not cut on right now. It's cut on, circulating water, but I have eco foil over top of the collector to reflect the sunlight off, but still circulate water to help keep it cool. But here is the steps. I'm not sure the brand name of the steps, but they're really nice. I'm gonna add some water here later on the day. It's getting kind of low. When it gets below those bolts up in there, when it gets below that, that's about time to add water. You can go another day or two probably. This time it just evaporates really quick. All right. Let me show you the platform. Not really a whole lot to it. But up in here, we got our 2x6s. Saw tree coming on up on both sides. We left clearance underneath of there. We'll get a pool cover on in the wintertime. So leave at least an inch and a half clearance to get it up underneath of there. That's basically how she's built. Now I'm gonna come around this. We'll come around to the deck side and I'll show you. All right. And then we got it built like that. Steps coming up the deck. Boom, 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 boom. All right. All right, let's go back and see that. Okay, right now we're up on the deck. And over here we built like a handrail that integrates into the deck. And around we got solar lights up on it. And down here you can see how we got it built. Somewhat, there's a lot of stuff in the way. This comes around and ties in that 6x6. And here's a platform. You got steps. Bam, 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 bam. You're in the pool. So that's about it. I mean, this is an awesome pool. It is nice. The pool factory really treated us well on this. And I'll show you a little update on the solar pool heater. But there's my equipment. Everything running there. Doing a fine job. Alright. Let me take you to the solar pool collector. Here's a solar pool collector. I took some eco foil and laid over top of it. That way the solar collector won't get hot. Not compared to what it is if it's open, but this reflects a lot of the heat off of it. It's about 10 in the morning. And it's the temperature gauge. It's showing right at about 80 something degrees. That's good. That's good. Let's circulate that cool water back in there. So later on when it starts getting cooler, I'll open them back up. I'll take the top back off, that is. Help get it warm back up in there again. But anyway, that's another look of our pool steps platform. That's basically how we have it built. Right there. 2x6s at the end and the top. We got some 5/4 at the very end. So we have room to, it's 2x6, but some 5/4 connecting the top so we have a way to get the pool cover on in the wintertime. So yeah, so it works out really well. Okay. Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching, and any questions or comments, just leave them to me. All right, hey, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. God bless and Semper Fi. Hope y'all enjoyed the pool step platform. I should have made a video of it being built, but I didn't. But, well, of course y'all know that. But, all right, hey, y'all have a good one. Y'all take care. All right now, bye-bye.